English Kazakh will have, I will have equals.
менде болады.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. Today you make, will have, your superpower in Kazakh. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. We'll keep it quick, funny, and super practical, so your brain says, yes, I will have success. Your goal today. You'll master future possession in Kazakh, fast and fun. I will have.
менде болады.
You, SG, will have.
сенде болады.
He will have.
ол ие болады.
She will have.
оның болады.
It will have.
онда болады.
We will have.
бізде болады.
You, place, will have.
сендерде болады.
They will have.
оларда болады.
Chant it. Repeat out loud, own the rhythm and the meaning. Me, I will have.
менде болады.
You, one friend, you will have.
сенде болады.
He will have.
ол ие болады.
She will have.
оның болады.
It will have.
онда болады.
We will have.
бізде болады.
You all, you, place, will have.
сендерде болады.
They will have.
оларда болады.
Now whisper them once, then say them like a champion. Quick dialogues. Hear the phrases in action, then echo them. A. Will you have the keys tomorrow? B. Yes, you will have.
сенде болады.
A. By evening, will he have time? B. Yep, he will have.
ол ие болады.
A. The new app, will it have dark mode? B. Yes, it will have.
онда болады.
A. Tomorrow, will we have a meeting? B. We will have.
бізде болады.
A. Team, will you have the tickets by noon? B. Yes, you, place, will have.
сендерде болады.
A. By next week, will they have the documents? B. They will have.
оларда болады.
A. And her report? B. She will have it.
оның болады.
Culture tip. How Kazakh has. Tiny grammar trick, huge results. In Kazakh, possession often sounds like, at X there will be. So, I will have, as literally, at me will be.
менде болады.
Swap the person, location piece, at you, SG.
сенде болады.
At we, us.
бізде болады.
At them.
оларда болады.
For he will have, you'll also hear ownership phrasing.
ол ие болады.
Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the Kazakh after a pause. Q1, say, I will have. A.
менде болады.
Q2, say, you, SG, will have. A.
сенде болады.
Q3, say, he will have. A.
ол ие болады.
Q4, say, she will have. A.
оның болады.
Q5, say, it will have. A.
онда болады.
Q6, say, we will have. A.
бізде болады.
Q7, say, you, place, will have. A.
сендерде болады.
Q8, say, they will have. A.
оларда болады.
Make it real. Build 2 tiny future plans, then say the key lines in Kazakh. Plan 1. Tomorrow, I will have time. Quote.
Ертең менде болады уақыт.
Quote. Plan 2. By evening, you, place, will have the tickets. Quote.
Кешке сендерде болады билеттер.
Quote. Bonus rhythm. Miyuide.
Менде болады. Сенде болады. Бізде болады. Оларда болады.
Goodbye and keep going. You did great, future you will thank present you. Thanks for listening, keep practicing. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, place, they, will have.
Менде болады. Сенде болады. Ол ие болады. Оның болады. Онда болады. Бізде болады. Сендерде болады. Оларда болады.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and laughs at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.